Alrighty, so we're opening Illustrator so that I can show you guys. Try to talk loud for y'all. Listen up, listen up. I'm talking for you guys, in the room. Hello. Get off your phones. This is in my recording now. Way to go. Alright, so in class, under Adobe Illustrator, yesterday we did text and stroke and fill. Right? So we have this page that I talked about a little bit. Then we have the basic skills, which is where we are right now. Okay? So yesterday, if they ever pop up, we did these first two. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, computer. Is yours guys running this slow this morning? There we go. So student example, so we did these two, okay? I'm going to show you guys this because we can't really do this until we know how to make a shape, okay? So we're going to do that today. I did put in my couple of recordings from yesterday, so if you guys need those, this top one is the one I redid because remember I ran out of time because it's 15 minutes long and then it stops. So the top one is the one where I finished up, okay? So I'll probably do the shape thing, and then I might have to stop. We'll see where we are. Okay, so in Illustrator, if you want to follow along, we're going to make a new document. File new. Don't let me forget to take attendance today, y'all. Man, this is being slow today. Ooh, doggies. It's going to run me out of my 15 minutes just waiting on it to do stuff. There we go. New document. So remember to change it to inches. Okay. On this one, I'm going to put shapes. Just because then I know what the heck it is. So 8.5 by 11. I'm going to go ahead and do it vertical instead of horizontal. And I'm going to press create. And it should pop up with one artboard. Some decade. There we go. All right. In your left-hand toolbar, what's up? You needed 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11. Yep. So in your left-hand toolbar, if you scroll over any of these, it will pop up and tell you what it is, right? So this is a selection tool. This is the pen tool. This is the rectangle tool, right? So it's going to tell you these things. So my shape tool, I think it's my rectangle tool, actually. If I click on it, there we go. Yeah, if I click and hold on it, okay? If I click and hold, I get other options. So the rectangle tool is there. I can move it to ellipse or polygonal or star or whatever, okay? The rectangle is pretty simple. Ellipse is pretty simple. Polygon, you get some more options, and star tool, you kind of get some more options as well. So I'm just going to do ellipse just because we're going to end up doing a circle anyways. So if I do this, I can click and drag, and it will make it whatever size. Okay, if I hold the shift, not the shift, control, there we go. The control key, it keeps it in a, well, I lied. What the heck is it? Oh, shift. It is shift. I thought it was shift. The shift key will keep it in a perfect circle. Okay, the same thing will work for the rectangle tool. If you hold the shift key, it'll keep it in a perfect circle. So I can do it that way. I let off of the shift key, by the way. Or I can click randomly on my thing and I can say, okay, I want one that's 2 inches by 3 inches, and then I press enter and it will make it 2 inches by 3 inches. Okay, so if you know you want a specific size, that's a really nice way to do that. Okay, to use, oops, wrong thing. Click and hold. To use the polygonal, No, I'm out. To use the polygonal, I can click. Oops, it didn't work. Hold on. Delete. Click and drag. Do you see how it's like you got all this? I think somewhere, I don't remember where because I don't ever use the polygonal, it allows you to choose how many sides it has as well. Something to note is you see when I get this little bendy arrow? That's how I can turn things and get them to be the direction that I want them to go. So maybe I want this to be like this, then I can do it like that. Okay? The star, click and hold. Star tool, it's got to be in properties. Because I know you can pick the number of, unless I'm thinking of a different program, because Adobe's got multiple programs, obviously. Because I'm pretty sure you can choose like how many, like I could choose 12 if I wanted it to have 12 points. Let's see. I don't see it up here. Remember, guys, we're in typography, not essentials, because I like it better, because you get more options. So over here is where you do that. Oops. Delete. If you just click randomly, see how it just pops things up? Oh, here we go. Ha! Click. There's my points. So I can say I want 12 points. 12 points. Oops, shit, it was small. Sorry. Ooh. Click. I don't want it that teeny tiny, right? I want it like 4 or 3 by 3. 3 by 3 with 12 points, and I press OK. Oh, that's a lot of points. It didn't make it. I did it too many. It looks stupid. Delete. So anyways, you get the idea. You can pick the points and do whatever. So if you want 8, you can do 8. So instead of showing you the text type tool, whatever, I'm going to show you a gradient fill, I think. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. What? How much time do I got left? Do we know? Does this thing tell me how much time I got left? It doesn't tell me. It's a secret. Do you guys see a timer anywhere? Oh, there it is. 7 minutes. Okay, sweet. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the type text to tool up. Text to path. So I'm going to click and hold on my type tool. Click and hold. And when I click and hold, there's a type on a path. Okay? Type on a path is what I'm going to click. If I can click, say I wanted to go on this little circle, I can click here on the little circle, and do you see the words pop up? Yes, maybe? I wrote some notes over here to myself. So I can make these bigger because they're obviously too small to see. So I'm going to make them bigger. Right? So there's my type on my path. Okay? So we're going to go 40. That's big. And then I'm going to type in East High Scarlets. And you're like, okay, but it's not on the top. So I'm going to zoom in. I can do, I think it's Control Plus. Yes, Control Plus lets me zoom in. So here it is. While I'm in here, and I'm going to go back to the selection tool, do you see these lines? These lines are important, okay? You're going to grab a line. Whoa, shoot. I'm zoomed in pretty far. Hold on. There we go. It started to move. One is the beginning of the letters and one is the end of the letters. And then there's one in the middle. So I can grab this one in the middle. And you see how I can move it now using that. Okay. So if I want this to go here, oops, don't grab the little handle. Grab the, oh, shoot. Control Z is your friend. Don't grab the handle. Grab the line. So I can go right here. So it's dead center here. I can go here. Oops. Grab the line. There you go. Oh, I'm not grabbing the line. Okay, fine. There, and then I'm going to choose for it to be aligned center. And now it's in the middle. Okay? What was the other thing I wanted to show you? Oh, so you can grab this. And see how it can go to the bottom? Well, it can go inside as well. Okay? So, Control Z. The other thing I wanted to show you is, where the heck is it? Oh, up here. Under type, because we struggled with this first semester. So we're going to try it because I watched a video and this is exactly what it says. So type on a path, options. Type on a path options. When you do this, it gives you this stuff. So right now it says align to baseline. There's ascender, descender, and sender. Or center. I'm going to do descender. I'm going to press OK. Do you see how it goes the other direction? Okay. So I'm going to go back, and there should be one of these. Descender should go in the middle. Or I mean underneath. Type on a path. Options. Ascender. There it goes. Ascender goes inside. Okay. If you do this inside, then sometimes you get kind of squished down here at the bottom. So what you can do is hold the Alt key and then click and drag. Oh, no, not click and drag. Click the right arrow. Oops, shoot. Oh, the right arrow. That's why it did it. So I'm going to click the right arrow. See how they're spreading out? Okay, that's if they're too smushed together. The other thing, did you guys notice how Scarlet's went away? Okay, if you ever see this little red square right here, then that means there's more stuff. So I need to grab my line. Grab my line, stupid thing. Grab my line and move it, and then my Scarlet's popped back out. Okay. The one that does center, will center it on the blue line. So the one that we'll probably use most is whatever one I just chose, the ascender, I think. We'll use that probably most. So, yeah, everything else about text on the path should be the same as what we did yesterday with choosing the font type and the color and all of that stuff. Okay, are there questions? I'm going to stop this because I think I'm really close to time. All right, good luck.